Hello guys, here is Shiuly and you're welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super tasty gajar halwa, that means carrot halwa, with a very nominal quantity of milk. It's really a very easy recipe, but it's super tasty, super delicious to eat. Everybody will love it. So guys, let's see the recipe. At first, we need gajar, that means carrot. I have taken half kg of carrot and now I'm peeling them off. After peeling them off, we need to remove the root part like this. And after that, we need to wash them properly. After washing, we need to grate them. So I have taken a grater. I have taken the big size grater, as you can see. And now I'm going to grate them all. For making carrot halwa, I prefer the big size grater. All the carrots are done. And now I'm taking half portion of coconut. You can see I have taken two. So I'm taking the half of a coconut. It's a small size coconut, not so big. And now I'm removing it from its shell. And after that, I'm going to grate it as well. So it's done. And now I'm grating it also. It's fresh coconut, but you may skip the coconut, there's no problem, as you wish. And along with this, we need some dry fruits. You may take any kind of dry fruits as you like or as available near you. So I have taken some cashews, some almonds and some raisins. And now in the pan, I have taken some clarified butter and now I'm adding the dry fruits in it. We need to fry the dry fruits until the color is little changed, not so much. And after about 1 minute of adding the dry fruits, we need to add the coconut as well. So now I'm adding the coconut, grated coconut. And now we need to fry it a little, not so much. The coconut should not be dry at all. After about half a minute, we need to add the carrots, grated carrots. It's done. Now I'm adding the carrots. After adding the carrots, we need to fry them for some time with a very little quantity of salt. Yes, salt in sweet halwa. Only 2 pinches of salt I'm going to add, not so much, for half kg of gajar, that means carrots. 2 pinches of salt is added. This little quantity of salt will enhance the taste of the halwa, sweet taste of the halwa. Now we need to mix everything very well and I'm going to cook it with a lid for about 10 to 12 minutes. In between, we need to uncover it and stir it nicely. And after about 10 minutes, I'll check it if it's cooked or not. After mixing well, after stirring well. So now I'm checking it. Okay, it's not cooked fully. It's cooked about 80%. So it's okay. Now I'm adding some milk, very nominal quantity of milk I'm adding, about 1.5 cup of milk. Only the quantity of milk that can soak the carrots to make the carrots wet. I think I could make you understand. Not so much, only 1.5 cup of milk I added, and after that I'm going to cook it. For bringing an added delicious taste in this halwa, we need to add something more. If you had khoya, mawa, then you may use it, of course. But here I have some malai. Malai means milk cream. I stored it in the freezer for about 3 days. And now I'm adding some in this halwa. You may change the quantity according to your choice, your wish, there's no problem. After mixing well, I'm going to cook it without a lid, but you may cover it for some time, there's no problem. We need to cook it until the gajar, that means carrots, are cooked 100%. While cooking, I'm adding 2 crushed green cardamoms for a nice flavor. And now we need to wait for some time until the milk is dried up a little and the carrots must be cooked 100%. So now the carrots are cooked well and now I'm adding some sugar according to taste. After the sugar is melted, you may check the taste and you may add more sugar if needed according to your taste. After mixing well, when the sugar will be melted, the consistency will be thinner than before and we need to dry it up until the consistency, your desired consistency comes. So now I think it's perfect for me. It's little juicy, but after cooling down, it will be perfect. So now I'm going to turn the heat off and after that we need to wait for some time until it cools down. Not fully, but little. So it's not fully cool now, but it's okay. okay for serving. So now I'm going to serve it. It's little juicy and super tasty, super delicious carrot halwa I made. You also try this simple recipe with a very little quantity of milk and very little quantity of malai, that means milk cream. You will get the super delicious carrot halwa. Don't forget to try this simple recipe at home, and don't forget to share your experience with me. Hit the like button guys if you really liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.